Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Corolla Customs, and today we're going to be draining our transfer case fluid. Okay guys, so today we're going to drain the transfer case fluid. Now, if it's anything like the rear diff, the manual said 3 quarts, but apparently this one took 4. So the manual for the transfer case fluid says it takes 2, but I'm sure it's going to take a little bit more. So I will order a 3rd quart just in case. But right now we're going to start with 2 and see how it goes. So let's get started. So taking a look at the transfer case underneath my truck, my 2004 Avalanche, we're going to see here is the drain bolt, and right up there is the fill bolt. So before you even crack the drain bolt loose, what you want to do is actually crack the fill bolt loose, because like I said, if you cannot get that fill bolt out, there's no point in draining this. So you have to find a way to get that fill bolt out. So let's get started with that. This is the fill bolt that we're removing, 18mm fill bolt. Now that we have that loose, let's crack the drain bolt loose. After the old fluid finished draining, reinsert the drain bolt. Now we fill up 2 bottles of AutoTrack 2 fluid. Use your transfer pump and pump the fluid until it pours out. Torque down your bolts and clean up your mess. And thank you for watching, guys, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell, and also follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Corolla Customs. Thank you.